shoplifting in the Apple Store challenge.
Somebody stop him! He's getting away!
Police say he got combative and fought with officers.
So before we start, is it okay if I touch you?
Touch me? At least take me to dinner first.
Shut up! Shut up!
Sneaking into Mexico challenge.
Somebody stop him! He's getting away!
A man was arrested trying to sneak into Mexico today.
Ugh, bro, I'm telling you, I'm so hungry right now. Apple? Joe, that'd be perfect. Yo, can I borrow some money real quick?
Yeah, I got you.
I got it. I got it. What the fuck? I don't got it. Shut up.
Oh, watch where you're going, dork.